in California, Nevada state line. So she's in 2 different states at the same time. All right, we're 1/4 mile away from the waterfall. Here we are, we're at California, Nevada state line. Right here. Okay, here is the beginning of the trailhead. Van Sickle Connected Trail. What is this right here? You guys got the picture ready? All right, here we go. 1 mile to waterfall. Let's do it. You guys can be on YouTube. This ain't no catwalk, just hike. There's a sign right there, say go right. It's hot already. Evelyn, look closer. Group effort. Let's go. There you go. Let's go. Sorry. Gotta be part of the program. Look, you see a lake from here, Evelyn. You can see a lake from here. Saltish. Look, you see a lake from here. Evelyn. This is the lake right there. You see Harris Casino right there. You okay, Kayla? You want to take Jack sweater off? Take it off. There's a lake. Come over here, guys. Take a picture right here. Okay, Evelyn. 1, 2, 3. So we're going uphill pretty steep to see the waterfall. It's about 3/4 miles away. Way up there. Right there. over here, guys. Take a picture right here. Okay, Evelyn. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we're 1/4 mile away from the waterfall. Getting there. There's Harris Casino right there. Lake, South Lake Tahoe, the lake. $1 million view right here. Very nice. So we walked. Take a quick sip on your water.
If you need it.
No, you're supposed to do it. You don't have to. Here we are. Yeah, I think so. We're at the fall. You guys want to go down there? Go it. The goal right there.
That's mine?
Let's listen something.
How am I gonna drink cold water now? Mama, I'll put in yours.
Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Take a picture from behind. Look at the lake right there.
It's gonna be there forever.
Progress is progress.
Oh, hold on.
It's a bunch of gold.
Alright, we're gonna head back. 1 hour and a half hike. Curvy tree. Nice. Look at the tree all curvy. So we're heading back to a vehicle. Unfortunately, the 3 members decided to bail out on us. Here's the remaining crew. Oh, Aaron's somewhere up front. So yeah, we started out with 9 people and we ended up with 6 people coming back. Yeah, we got 3 decided to tap out from the easy hike up in the hills. Well, let's just call it a mountain. It was a fun hike. 2.5 mile round trip. If you take the longer route, about 3 miles. The waterfall isn't that big, but it was a fun, easy hike. So yeah, you can bring kids. They should be able to handle that. Peace out. We're in California, Nevada state line. So she's in 2 different states at the same time. Look at that. Wow. So if you want to commit crime, step on both sides. Both jurisdictions gonna come over. There we go. Almost 3 miles. One-way walk time is like 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah. So that's light. Combined walking hours like 3 hours. We're good.